Yeah, what's up, guys? What's up? So today we're gonna make juice well type beat, which I already made. But before that, please subscribe. Just check the results here. Most of the people haven't subscribed, so subscribe. Yeah. So here's the track. So I'm gonna play for you the track while showing you how I made it. So yeah. Let me play for you the track. Yeah, that's a hit. Yeah. Yeah, this track is fucking cool. It's fucking cool. Yeah. Hear him shot. Yeah, it's not mixed. Just adjusted the volume and all that. So yeah, that was a track. So yeah, thank you for your support, guys. Thank you for your support. To those one who have subscribed and those one who haven't subscribed, thank you for support. So please subscribe if you know like you haven't subscribed, or if you are new, subscribe. So yeah, for more videos, yeah, just comment below